Are you considering organising an international conference in Holland? We proudly present the Pre-Financing and Guarantee Fund. Welcome. Who are we? The VGF was set up by the Ministry of Economic Affairs, the Netherlands Board of Tourism and Conventions and 20 other industry partners in the late 1980s. We have been an independent foundation with its own board since 2001. Our aim is to host more international conferences in Holland by offering organisers financial security. This boosts our national economy. The VGF offers two schemes. The pre-financing scheme offers a loan for your conference, free of charge, to be used to finance the initial expenses. The guarantee scheme covers a deficit due to disappointing numbers of attendees. You may use these two schemes separately or combine the two. If you wish to organize an international conference in Holland without any financial concerns, do visit our website or contact us. We look forward to helping you make your conference in Holland a huge success. See you soon in Holland.